Hi everybody out there, this is just the cafe here. So the purpose of this video is to motivate somebody and to tell somebody that never give up on this thing. This is the easiest thing to make money, and I'm trying to show some people, some small boys out there. Some people are actually saying we are just here making money out of people and we don't know these things. So I'm gonna tell you, don't play with a king. This is a boom and crush king. People don't play. I know this stuff like hell. So yeah, um this is my very smallest account, and I have today I've traded this account using the smallest lot size just to make this video and to show you some profit that I've made. This is my small account and this is what I've done today. So that's why, my people, I've stopped to sell anything to anybody, just like I promised my people that after hitting 1,000 subscribers, that is the time I will be giving everything for free. I'll be teaching people everything and giving strategies for free. So nothing is for sale when it comes to the cafe. So yeah, everything is for free. Yeah, this strategy is for you, and try to perfect it before trading on your real account, people. So you see, the strategy was doing cool. Just today I've used the very last lot size, the smallest lot size. Look at this, look at this, just to make this video for you and to make you believe that things. Just look at the lot size I've used, people. Just look there. That is the profit of today with this lot size. Can you do it? Eh, just catching. I didn't swing trade, I didn't do anything. I was just catching spikes. Just look at the profit and you can see, I guess you can see it's 153. Yeah, that profit, I guess you can see it. Just to date, only today you can see the date. Only today, only that lot size, nothing else than that. So this is the strategy, people, and it's very wonderful. I didn't change anything in this thing. I did not change anything. I'm just trying to show you how everything works. Let us quickly go to the setups. So people, this is the easiest thing, and I will show you on how to use this strategy. I think my people, I feel like I'm not really a good teacher, because whenever I try to teach people, people are still struggling. I don't know. This is very easy, using the same strategy I'm using, but you're losing money. What the heck is this? Let us check this out. So on your main chart, you just insert this Ichimoku. I like trading using the Ichimokus. Yeah, here Tenkan-sen, it's just 9, 26, 52, just like it is here. You make feel there. The style, Tenkan-sen 4 pixel, the color is blue, because when you're trading, everything should just be in blue. We are not here to close off things in negatives. So everything should be blue. Make this color blue for your trade to go be in blue, people. Yeah, all right. Tenkan-sen is 4 pixel, the color is blue, and if the background color of your chart is white, then you make everything white. If it's black, you make everything black. Everything to be invisible. Just do it as you're seeing it here, and you click on done. So it appears on your main chart. Then you go back, you insert this is just for decoration. I'm not really using those fractals or whatever you call it. You can insert them if you want. So but I'm not really using them. Yeah, the color is blue, 4 pixel, just to decorate your chart a little bit. So you click on done. Those are fractals, as you can see on the main chart. uh, the next indicator is accelerator oscillator. This is now in the first window, accelerator oscillator. Line width is 2 pixel. Style here, value up is green, value down is red. You click on done. You insert level 0 né? You insert level 0 and then you click here. You make 4 pixel. The color should be blue. We are just aiming for blue né? We want a blue color. So yeah, then you click on done. Then here we insert, what is this? Ichimoku, the one we have inserted on the main chart. Just insert it as you're seeing it here, exactly like you're seeing it here. So make the color blue, and yeah. So with the Ichimokus, with the Ichimoku, there are no level at all. There's no levels. What is it? It's no levels. So yeah, it's just like that as you're seeing. You click on done. So what is that? The last one, our last indicator, you go look for accumulation distribution. Then you insert it just like it is. Volume ticks there. Style 4 pixel. And I think everything is done. The strategy is done. It's just like that. Simple as it is. Very, very simple. So let us back test it a little bit, just for you to know how this thing is being used. It's very simple. Maybe it's simply because I don't explain that well, or I don't know why you are losing in this thing. So with this strategy, what I usually do is something very simple. I'm just looking at my accumulation distribution and that blue Ichimoku of mine. You see this blue Ichimoku and this accumulation distribution. That's what I usually look at. So condition for okay, we are looking for a signal. That is already a signal of a spike. A signal of a spike. So what I usually do, I'll wait for that, because sometimes when you see the Ichimoku and the accumulation distribution are pointed, when you go into the market will continuously go against you. So that is something. So wait for a spike. There is a spike, and when a spike occurs, what is the Ichimoku telling us? The Ichimoku is actually in this zone. The Ichimoku is at the zone above level 0 of accelerator oscillator. So if this spike, when this spike occurs, this Ichimoku was supposed to jump out of the zone to be outside here, but it's still within the zone, telling us that the market will still spike. It will still spike. You see, the market spiked. So if I was trading, I could have waited for this spike to come, and after this spike, I enter the market. I can even enter immediately. I could have ended here. Let me show you where I could have ended here immediately, and if it doesn't spike, then I will go end on close here to my Ichimoku on my main chart. I could have ended there and there. I could have made some. So immediately when this Ichimoku is out of this zone, I could have been out of the market. ITP. This is just for scalping purpose. You can also swing trade with this strategy. I will show you. So do you think this is not true? And how do I make money with this? This is just how I usually make money. It's not something difficult. You were just supposed to analyze the market live, the reaction of the market, what the market does. So the main purpose, people, why we are giving you these strategies is not to blindly just rely on the strategy. You must also apply your knowledge, and it's just to open your mind on how everything is being used. So you must know what you are doing, and you must try to analyze the market live, the reaction of the market. So what is the other condition? Because with this strategy, I'm just trading spikes. I'm not trading against spikes. So I've got my reasons for that. I'm not trading against spikes. So what I usually wait for, those spikes, I cannot see them. The one I want to snipe, I will wait for my accumulation distribution to be pointed with my accelerator. I mean with my Ichimoku, like what you're seeing here. So whenever I see this setup, I will wait for my spike. There's the spike. There's the spike. But the spike, this is a classic spike. It's very big. It's out of the zone. I will not enter the market. I will not. You see, nothing. There wasn't a spike there. So those ones I cannot see them. I'm only waiting for one thing like that. My Ichimoku should be pointed with my accumulation distribution. That is the only thing I'll be looking at. Once they are pointed like this, I will wait for that spike. You see that spike occurred. So, but the accumulation distribution, I mean the Ichimoku, is still within this zone, above level 0 of accelerator oscillator. So sometimes I end it immediately, just like I've said, and sometimes I'm going to end close to that Ichimoku on top. I know the market is gonna spike again because it spiked, but it's not out of the zone, telling me that there are more spikes to come. So I've ended here on the first line. I've ended a trade here and here. Let us see whether I'm able to make a profit. Why did I end? It's simply because of this Ichimoku that is in the zone. You see, I could have ended immediately and here if the market doesn't spike. And if I want to make a lot of money, like with this strategy, I could have ended with a big lot size because I know the market is just going to spike. I will never close off my trade in negatives. You see, I could have made some. Where is that Ichimoku? Is still within the zone. Can't you see, people? It's still here. I will not TP. I'll wait for the market to spike again. What is happening? It's still within the zone. I will not TP. I will just wait for the market to spike. There's the market. It spiked. You see, and immediately it's out of the zone. When it's out of the zone, I TP. This is what I have been doing. I have been doing this to make that profit. Nothing else. I have been doing this over and over. So let me tell you something. When you actually want to catch the market, like you want to take your trade more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or even a day, this is what you will be doing. Let us analyze the market live. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the only thing I usually trade in. If you go in crash 500, let us analyze the market live. If I see a signal, I will enter. No jokes. I can already see this is a very strong downtrend. What tells me? But the market is almost at overbought. What I usually do when I want to take a trade, I zoom my chart to be very big like this, and I see this Ichimoku. is under here. The market will be going up for now, simply because this one is kind of here at oversold, so the market will be going up a little bit. So, and then I click my 5 minute time frame, it's still here. But if you zoom in like this, it shows that the market is gonna go a little bit down. But if you check here at this Ichimoku, the market has reached that is it support? Yeah, that support level. So the market will be going up. It's like it have reached oversold level. So previously the market was here, the market came here, and then it went up. It came and then it was rejected and went up again. Do you think now it's gonna go completely beyond this? Of course no. You must expect, just look at the main chart. Look here, the market was rejected and then it went, and here it went up. Now it came. So if it goes down, it will just go until somewhere here and then go back up again. Let me click my 15-minute time frame. You see, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. You see, this one here, it formed now kind of what is this? It forms something like, it's not double bottom, but it's kind of like, I see three legs. It's kind of like, this is one shoulder, this is a head here, and this is another shoulder, head and shoulder. That's why I've got confident that the market will be going up, so it will never go beyond this. So if I want to swing trade, I can just take a buy. I know where the market is going. I've been doing this over and over. If I want to scalp, if you see scalping is profitable for you, don't try to swing trade. You must only train yourself to swing trade on a demo, and if you see that everything is going well, that is the time you can do swing trade. If I see I'm good at scalping, why do I have to go jump up for swing trading? If I want money, I'll just enter the market with the biggest lot size, and I will make my money. That is the main thing. I hope people, you understand. Let me look for a signal. I don't like just doing things. So like right now, I'm looking for a signal, man, just to prove to somebody. Like right now, if I'm to take this trade, I'll wait for the market to spike. Right now I'm in boom 500. If this market spikes and this Ichimoku is still within my zone, the only thing I will do, I will click my 5 minute time frame, and then I'll zoom it like this. It's also kind of oversold. It's oversold. So if the market spikes and that Ichimoku is still within their zone, I'll take a buy and make my money. Let me check this. What is happening here? Just looking for a signal. There's no signal. I could have ended. People, there's no signal. But you can see, so go try out this strategy and see whether it works for you. People, I'm here for you. And if you don't understand, you must come back to me. We will try to do this together. So yeah, this is just the cafe here, currently signing out.